Does email marketing actually work? Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to explore the question of whether email marketing is actually an effective strategy in 2023 and beyond. There's a lot of debate around this, with some people saying email is old news and doesn't drive results anymore. Others argue it's still one of the best ways to reach customers. I want to dig into the data and share my take on it. The case for email marketing. First off, let's talk about why many marketers still rely heavily on email. The biggest reason is that the numbers show it works. Recent statistics show that the ROI from email marketing can be up to 4,400%, which is huge. Email also allows you to segment your audiences and craft targeted campaigns to each group. The more relevant your emails, the better results you'll see. Finally, with new AI tools like AI List Flipper, managing email campaigns is easier than ever. You don't have to be an expert to create professional, high-converting emails. The case against. Now what about the argument that email is dying? It's true that open and click-through rates have declined in recent years as inboxes get more crowded. However, response rates are still usually higher for email than social media or other channels. As long as you have a targeted, engaged email list, results can still be very strong. So in 2023, is email worth your marketing investment? My verdict is a resounding yes. Email may look a bit different than it used to, but innovative tools plus the right segmentation and targeting strategies means it still delivers. If you aren't using email to connect with customers, you're missing out on sales. Just make sure you do it correctly, with the help of game changers like AI List Flipper. Let me know what you think of email marketing in 2023. Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching.